Hey guys, welcome to another video on Mad Over Exploring. This weekend we are exploring Paso Robles or Paso Robles, however you want to say it. It's a wine country here, somewhere between LA and San Francisco. And we'll be just exploring the wine country, checking out some nice wineries and the downtown as well. So let's check out how Paso Robles really is.
Paso Robles is becoming the hottest up and coming wine region in California. The wineries are distributed on the east and west sides, divided by Highway 101.
After a 3.5 hour drive from San Francisco, we finally arrived at downtown Paso, which had such a small town charm.
We are at straight out of Paso to try some exquisite wine that's prepared locally in this area, and it tastes so good.
The tasting at this newly opened tasting room was just $15 per person, with 6 samples ranging from white and red blends to 100% varietals like Grenache and Zinfandel.
Our favorite was 100% Grenache, branded as Can't Stop. We played a lot of Jenga, enjoyed music from the nearby brewery, and had a great evening with our friends.
Airbnb has numerous listings in Paso, from studios and cottages to houses and bungalows. We reserved a spacious 2-bedroom farmhouse quite central to everything in Paso. If you want to know the best Airbnb booking tips, check out our blog linked in the description.
To end the day, we picked up some pizzas from Rustic Fire for dinner and enjoyed them in our Airbnb's lit backyard. All the good vineyards and estates in Paso require an appointment for their wine tastings, so we highly recommend making a reservation in advance. On the west side of Paso Robles, you'll find a number of wineries, and we are here at Templeton at Epoch Winery. Here, we are having a wine tasting experience and learning more about their preparation. This place also has an interesting history and its architecture is amazing.
One thing to keep in mind when you're visiting any of these wineries in this area is that a lot of them don't have any food options at all. So they will have only wine by glasses or by wine tastings. So if you're looking for some food, do check out their websites and information on their menu to be sure that you'll get some food. We have these packets of love corn with us. Epoch does allow some food that you can eat outside, but not inside at all.
Overall, we were pretty impressed with Epoch's service. As soon as we arrived, the friendly staff greeted us and we noticed that our samples were already beautifully set up. Our host described the origin of Epoch and the different grapes and wines that flourish in Paso's climate. Highly recommend this tasting that costs $30 per person.
By now our stomachs were growling, so we made our way to Firestone Walker Taproom Restaurant. This restaurant is located on the Firestone Walker Brewery campus. This place had one of the largest dining halls we may have ever noticed at a restaurant. Their gastropub menu had delicious options. Definitely try their burgers and fish tacos.
In the scorching heat of 100-degree Fahrenheit, we are gonna grab some delicious ice cream from Negrante Creamery. We have a blueberry lavender and a Thai iced tea.
Negrante is located inside Tin City, a small warehouse district home to several businesses serving food, wine, beer and other spirits. The 2 blocks of Tin City are so easily walkable that you can park your car once and just enjoy the outdoor ambience.
Next up was the most awaited part of this trip, the Sensorio Field of Light. Right at the entrance, you will find a number of food trucks and this beautiful light music. We came in around 8 p.m., a few minutes before sunset, to catch a glimpse of how the lights look before sundown.
While you can walk around the 58,800 stemmed spheres lit by fiber optics across 15 acres, we recommend you grab a place and see the before dark and after dark transformation. The low light video may not do enough justice, but trust us, it was enchanting.
Don't forget to walk to the recent addition to the light exhibits, Light Towers. Designed by artist Bruce Munro, this is one of California's most spectacular man-made attractions right now and is only expected to last till September 2021. Buy tickets in advance, especially for weekends, to get the best deal. They start at $35 on Eventbrite. We'll leave the link in the description.
And with those magical memories, our time in Paso Robles has come to an end. We hope we helped you discover a lesser known gem of California with this video. If you are impressed, press the like button and subscribe to our channel. Then start planning your trip to Paso before it becomes all popular and touristy.
Comment down below if you know any other unique secret gems in this country, and we'll include them in our future escapades. Until next time, keep exploring.